Today, I would like to talk about Bijak Stationery Shop, a place where creativity, learning, and productivity come together. When customers enter the shop, they are welcomed by colorful notebooks, smooth pens, and neatly arranged stationery that spark inspiration. Bijak Stationery is not just about selling products. It provides tools that help people express ideas, stay organized, and work more efficiently. Students rely on the shop for school essentials like geometry sets and backpacks, especially during exam seasons or the start of the new school year. Professionals find value in planners, quality pens, and office supplies that supports their daily work. More than a business, Bijak Stationery is a part of the community. It supports schools and offices while inspiring creativity for all ages. In this way, the shop helps people stay organized, express themselves, and dream bigger.
Thank you, Aina Razak. Bijak Stationery faced several challenges due to relying on manual and outdated management practice before setting up a proper record-keeping system. The business lost significant time and resources with this manual method, especially when staff needed to retrieve important information from customer record. The first issue Bijak Stationery encountered was ineffective data handling. All of the stored important information such as sales transactions, supply contacts, and customer details were recorded manually in notebook or on a sheet of paper. Whenever staff needed to retrieve a record, they had to spend valuable time flipping through two files, which slowed down daily operation and often lead to mistakes. For example, confirming whether a customer had already paid for an order or checking the delivery schedule for a supplier could take for longer than necessary. This information not only frustrated employees but also created delay that customer noticed, reducing the overall quality of service. The next issue is struggle with inventory management because it lacked a proper database. This led to a frequent overstocking of slow-moving product, tying up capital and storage space, while popular items like SMP paper were often understocked. Customers were disappointed when essentials were unavailable, resulting in low sales and waste resources as unsold stock become outdated or damaged. The next issue is the business also faced scalability issue as it grew. The manual system that once worked for a small shop became unsustainable with higher sales volume. Staff were overwhelmed by the increased workload, errors became common, and operation grew messy. Without automation, expansion was restricted. To serve customers effectively and grow smoothly, Bijak Stationery needed to adopt a digital system capable of managing sales, inventory, and customer record in a scalable way.
In Microsoft Access, table represent the fundamental structure of a database. A table stores data in a systematic format consisting of rows and columns similar to a spreadsheet. Each table is specifically designed to capture information related to a single entity or subject area, such as employees, product, orders, or students. So, based on the figure provided, which illustrates the product table in design view, the table consists of three main columns, which is field name, data type, and description. The table is designed to store information related to products. The first field, product ID, is assigned the data type, short text, and function as a unique identifier for each product. The second field, which is product name, also uses the short text data type with its description indicating that it stores the name of the product. And for the third field, category is defined as short text and represents the type or category of the product. For the brand, is assigned the short text data type, and its description specifies the brand of the product. And for the last field, which is price, is utilized the currency data type, which is appropriate for storing the monetary value of the product. Finally, the field stock quantity is assigned the number data type, and its description indicates the remaining quantity of the product in stock. Overall, this table structure ensures that essential product details are stored systematically and efficiently within the database. Based on Figure 2, which illustrates the sales table in design view, the table consists of three main columns, which is field name, data type, and description. This table is designed to record sales transaction information within the database. Sales ID serves as the primary key and unique identifies each sales record. The first field, which is sales ID, is assigned the short text data type and functions as a unique identifier for each sales transaction. The second field, which is product ID, also use the short text data type and represent the identifier of the product involved in the sale. And for the third field, customer name is defined as short text and its description indicates the name of the customer who made the purchase. And for the quantity sold field, it's assigned the normal data type and records the quantity of products sold in each transaction. And lastly, the date sold field uses the date or time data type which stores the data on which the sales transaction occurred. Overall, the sales table enables systematic storage and management of sales-related data, supporting accurate tracking and analysis of sales activity within the Microsoft Access database. Alright, so now let's move to query section. In Microsoft Access, queries are powerful tools used to retrieve, manipulate, and analyze data stored within database tables. They allow users to perform calculations, update records, combine data from multiple tables, and extract specific information based on defined criteria. Queries plays a vital role in efficient data management and iteration, as they enable data processing and analysis without directly altering the underlying tables. Based on figure 1, we included product ID, product name, brand, and price from the product table, which is linked to the sales table through the product ID. Next, all selected fields are set to be displayed in the query result. In the criteria section, we specified brand as daily and price below 6 to show products from the daily brand that are priced below RM6, allowing us to identify affordable products under this brand. Based on figure 2, we included sales ID, product name, customer name, and quantity sold from the sales and product tables, which are linked through the product ID. Next, all selected fields are set to be displayed in the query result. In the criteria section, we specify customer name like A and quantity sold below 10 to show customers who names start with the letter A and who purchase product in quantities less than 10. Based on figure 3, we included product ID, product name, category, and price from the product table, which is linked to the sales table through the product ID. Next, all selected fields are set to be displayed in the query result. In the criteria section, we specify category for stationery or office to show product that belong to either the stationery or office category. Based on the figure provided, which illustrated a query with a calculated field in Microsoft Access, the query is designed to retrieve and process data from one or more tables. Queries consist of several columns representing selected fields, criteria, and calculated expression used to generate meaningful results from the stored data. In this query, existing fields such as product ID, quantity sold, and price are selected from the related tables. In addition, a calculated field is created to perform a computation based on existing data. This calculated field computes a derived value, for example, total sales amount, by applying a mathematical formula to relevant fields, such as multiplying the quantity sold by the unit price. The calculated field enables automatic computation of results without modifying the original data stored in the tables. Overall, this query fulfills the requirement of creating one query with a calculated field, as it demonstrates the ability to perform calculations and analyze data efficiently within Microsoft Access while preserving data integrity. This image shows a query created in Microsoft Access using Design View. The sales and product tables are linked through the product ID fields. The query selects product ID, product name, category, and stock quantity from the product table. Criteria are applied where category is writing and stock quantity is greater than 50, allowing the query to display only writing products with sufficient stock. This demonstrates how queries can filter and retrieve specific data efficiently.
The product form display product information such as the product ID, product name, category, brand, price, and stock quantity. This form help user manage product detail and monitor stock availability in the system. It includes buttons for easy operation, where the duplicate record button allow user to create a new product record based on existing one. The print form button is used to print the product detail. The first record button navigate to the first product record.
And the Quick Apps button allows user to exit the application. This simple design makes product management easier and more user-friendly. The sales form displays sales transaction information such as the sales ID, product ID, customer name, quantity sold, and date sold. This form is used to record and manage sales data in the system. It includes button for easy operation, where the next record button allows user to view the next sales record. The last record button navigates to the last sales record, and the print form button is used to print the sales detail. And lastly, the Quick Apps button allows user to exit the application. This simple and user-friendly form help ensure sales information is recorded accurately and can be easily accessed when needed. The multi-page form combines sales and product information into a single interface with 2 pages. The sales page displays sales details such as the sales ID, product ID, customer name, quantity sold, and date sold, allowing users to view and manage sales record easily. The product page shows product information including the product ID, product name, category, brand, price, and stock quantity, which help user manage product detail and monitor inventory. This multi-page design allows users to switch between sales and product information efficiently, making data management more organized and user-friendly. The brand report view displays product information based on brand detail in a clear, organized table format. It shows important data such as product ID, product name, brand, and price, allowing users to easily view and compare products under the same brand. This report helps users analyze product pricing and brand-related information efficiently, making it useful for reference and reporting purposes. The stationery report displays a list of products that belong to the stationery category. It shows information such as product ID, product name, category, and price. This report allows users to view and compare stationery items easily and help in monitoring product pricing between the stationery category. This simple layout makes the report easy to read and useful for reference and analysis. The multi-table report displays combined information from multiple tables in the database, including product and sales detail. It shows data such as product ID, product name, brand, price, sales ID, and customer name. The report group records based on product ID and provides a summary for each product, making it easier to view which product was sold and to whom. This report helps users analyze sales transactions and understand product performance in a clear, organized format.
So, as conclusion, success comes from working smarter by using simple tools like automatic sales and inventory system. Bijak Stationery can save time, avoid mistakes, and serve customers faster. Efficiency also means people, training staff, building teamwork, and sharing ideas will keep the workplace smooth and motivated. With smart system and strong teamwork, Bijak Stationery can grow into a trusted brand ready for the future.